What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make money with Honeygain app. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's dive straight into the video. Honeygain app, I'll be leaving the link that will take you to this page in the description below. So let's get straight into the video. Honeygain app, as you can see on the page, there are 10x congratulations for sharing a referral link. You are eligible to claim $5. Click the button below to sign up. By clicking this link, you will be redirected to the Honeygain sign up page. Upon completing your registration, $5 will be added to your Honeygain account balance. And currently, they have paid out to over 20,000 plus people and paid $500,000 US plus. And when you come a little bit down, you can see they have a video that will clearly explain to you what is Honeygain app, a smart way to make money online. When you watch the video, you have a clear understanding about what the app is about. Here, you can see download, install and aim. Honeygain is the first ever app that allows users to make money online by sharing their internet connection. Users can now reach their network's full potential by getting cash back to their wallet. It's a real passive income effortlessly. For us to start earning money, what we have to do is to sign up. Let's click on the sign up. To take us to this page where we have to put in our email and our password. And you can also sign up with your Facebook. So let me put in my email. Let me key in my password. Now I'll click and sign up. So right now we are now on their dashboard. Here you can see on their dashboard, this is the overview. So we see the current balance. The $5 bonus has been added to our account. Collect $20 to request a payout. So the minimum that you could withdraw is $20. First, start earning in 3 steps. What you have to do is to download the Honeygain app to your device, install and open the app, log in using the same credential. Logging in lets your app synchronize with the dashboard. If the data does not appear, refresh your browser will do the trick. Here you can see the platform that the Honeygain app works on. It works on Windows, Android, so whichever device you want to use it, you can install the app on it and start making your money. And when we look here, you'll see the invite friends and earn a limited bonus. Everyone who joined the Honeygain app using your referral link get a $5 starting gift, and you earn a forever bonus equal to 10% of their earnings. What does shared traffic depend on? Internet speed, locations, and a number of connected devices. When you take a look here, how much are Honeygain credits worth? 1,000 Honeygain credits equals to $1. You get a $1 credit for every 100 megabytes shared. Can I get an extra credit? Try our referral program, Lucky Pot, and Contest social media. When can I request a payout? When your balance reaches $20, you can cash out in PayPal or Bitcoin. Let's go to our email and confirm. Here there's a mail that is sent to us, so let's just go and confirm our email. So verified email. Here you can see that our email has been verified. Switch to Jumpstart and get additional 5% bonus. Jumpstart and Honeygain app join force to enable live payment whilst bringing users payout fees to a minimum. Enable Jumpstart and get a 5% on your Honeygain earnings to your Jumpstart wallet. We'll come back to this page. For first of all, what we have to do is to install the app. So just click install. Since I'm using Windows, I would like to on my Windows. So you can see here it has installed. Let me run it. So we're just preparing for the setup. So click next, and install. Just bear with me, it will take several minutes before it installs. So as you can see, Honeygain is now running. It's now running in the background. So really you could just read through the terms and accept it. How Honeygain works, you could just go to share internet and earn money. Your device earns you money when it is connected to either your Wi-Fi or mobile internet without you doing anything. You can set up mobile internet usage limited in app settings. Here we go next. What you get paid for. Honeygain is an essential proxy network. More device, more earning. Increase earning by installing Honeygain app on all your device. Just connect them to different network or IPS and make sure they are running. Invite everyone to join. As we talked about the invite friends earlier on, our app pays a 10% recurring referral commission to you. The more your referrals in, the more you get. Also, we are making it easier for you. Everyone that joins with your code will instantly get $5. Sit back and in. But the beauty of it all is that after installing Honeygain, you don't have to do anything. Just keep the app running and let your earning grow. Let's just log in again. Okay, you can see we have now logged in. So with this site, it's as easy as that in making money with it. So if you want to start referring people and also get a bonus, you could here see your referral link. You could just copy this link and start sharing it with your friends. When you click transaction history, because we just joined, you will see the current balance. This is the $5 bonus that we had, and you haven't reached the minimum payout yet. The minimum payout is $20. Let's just go back to the overview and let's come here to Honeygain. When you click it, you can see your balance, your Honeygain balance today so far. Currently, this is what we have gathered. You could just take a look, and if you want to go to your dashboard, if you want to log out or you want to quit the game, or you don't want the app to be run on your machine again, or whatever it is, you could just quit it. And these are the platform that you could run the app on. The next video, I'll be talking about how to switch the payment method to Jumpstart in order to get quick payments with the Jumpstart tax. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.